this video, I'll show you how to download and install the MyTherapy app on your phone step by step. The MyTherapy app is a helpful medication reminder that allows you to track medicines, set health reminders, and manage your treatment schedule easily. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android phone. If you're using an iPhone, open the App Store. Tap the search icon at the bottom, and after tapping on search at top, type MyTherapy. From the results, look for MyTherapy, Pill Reminder, and make sure it's the official app. Now tap the install button and wait for the app to download and install on your device. Once the installation is complete, tap Open to launch the app. When you open the app for the first time, you can create an account or continue with the setup. Then you can start adding your medications, setting reminders for pills, tracking health activities, and managing your treatment schedule. The MyTherapy app can also help you track symptoms, record measurements, and stay consistent with your medication routine. And that's it. That's how you download and install the MyTherapy app on your phone quickly and easily. If this video helped you, give it a like, leave a comment below, and subscribe for more simple app tutorials and tech tips.